खाना खा के जाना, हाँ? Hey guys, I hope you are having a beautiful and an amazing day, and if not, come on and let's make it a good one. So recently there was this Indian festival called Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan, where the sister ties Rakhi to the brother, and for which you have to travel. And to travel, firstly you have to go through the IRCTC struggle or the hustle, and when you go through that, then comes the journey. As you all know, our Indian Railways network is one of the oldest. Why it is the most successful across the whole world? And if you don't know, write it down because it's going to be the next question in KBC. 1 crore का सवाल है ये. And thanks to the diversity of our country, whenever we travel, we encounter a lot of types of people. So we are going through them today. We are going to see the types of people in Indian train. Number 1 would be the overburdened by luggage. As soon as you enter into your compartment or bogie, you will see this person overburdened with luggage as if they are going from Earth to Pluto. Now God save Indians for carrying that overburdened luggage. People like you are the reason we have that 23 kilo limit in airplane, and then you pay a hefty fine, and then you take the 50 kilo का सामान घर पे happy. From under seats to overberth, every available inch become a parking space for their luggage. And then you gather some courage to finally ask them to make teeny tiny space for your luggage. They are going to straight away say, यार हमारा सामान तो इतना ही है ना, तो हम लोग अब कहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे? आपका तो इतना सा बैग है, आप कहीं पे भी रख लो, आप आगे वाले बोगी में रख लो, आप यहाँ रख लो, आप वहाँ रख लो, बट हमारे पास तो इतनी सी जगह है. Okay, fine. And then some random person asked them by seeing their luggage, अच्छा तो आप लोग शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं क्या कहीं पे? नहीं नहीं, मैं तो मौसी के सिर्फ 3 दिनों के लिए जा रही हूँ, उसके लिए मेरा सामान है. Number 2 would be the food supermarket. These are the kind of people who usually, for some few hours of journey, keep the food for like at least 3 days. And mind you, not some puri, bhaji or aloo ki sabji, but the mouth-watering kebab, chicken biryani, or the fruit salad. They are going to offer you with all those mouth-watering dishes as well. अरे लीजिए ना बेटा, लीजिए 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 लीजिए, खाइए खाइए. Because जान न पहचान मैं तेरा मेहमान, you cannot eat anything offered by the stranger. मम्मी ने नहीं सिखाया क्या? Number 3 would be the endless talker, not stalker, talker. Now do you remember the Kareena Kapoor from the Jaggi we met, who kept on talking and talking and talking from the start to the end of the journey, and these chatter boxes doesn't stop because it doesn't only happen in movies, it happens in real life. And these chatter boxes wouldn't sleep and would not let you sleep either in peace because दीदी सुनिए ना फिर क्या हुआ? दीदी सुनिए तो आगे क्या हुआ था फिर? दीदी सुनिए. By the end of the journey, you'll probably know उनकी घर की मेड का नाम क्या है. You'll probably know how her son and बहू doesn't visit them from abroad and doesn't call them. You would probably know सास ने बहू को क्यों मारा. Stop, auntie, take a chill pill. Number 4 would be the CPS. Killing the name game, bro. The charger point searcher. Now these searchers are no one other than the young lads or the young girls who totally exhausted their cell phone battery and now in the endless search for the charging point, and ऊपर से some of them doesn't carry the chargers, so they are going to beg for the chargers. आपके पास चार्जर है क्या? आज मैं अपना चार्जर लाना भूल गई हूँ, प्लीज आप मुझे अपना चार्जर दे दीजिए. भैया मैं चार्जर लाना भूल गया, अगला तेरा चार्जर देना है, जरा मैं चार्ज कर लूँ. And when everything they have in hand, the search for the charging point, and then you have to make your position in that long queue by holding your position. भाई इसके बाद अगला मेरा, हाँ इसके बाद अगला मेरा, तू अपना कर ले, फिर मुझे जल्दी से बता देना, मैं यहीं बैठा हूँ आगे वाली सीट पे. हाँ भाई प्लीज मुझे जल्दी बता देना, तो मैं अपना लगा लूँगा चार्जर. भाई बीच वाले खड़े ना, ये लोग लगाने नहीं देंगे. Number 5 would be the gamer. शुरू करो अंताक्षरी लेकर प्रभु का नाम. If you are one boring person, you could actually get help from them, and this could help you pass the long journey. Or else you can pretend like you are listening to the song, but in reality you are actually guessing the song because the songs are paused in your phone, and you are listening to them and you are guessing the songs from car. God say ये हमने भी देखा, तुम हेल्प कर रही थी उसको. Now this person is so restless during the whole journey and would buy everything that's been offered by the sellers in the trade. Jai, भैया दो चाय में अखबार, आज का ताजा अखबार, पॉपकॉर्न, गरम मसालेदार पॉपकॉर्न. ए भाई ये पॉपकॉर्न है. Hey guys, that's it for this week's video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which kind of a traveler have you encountered in your journey. If you smiled even a tiny little bit, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we are a growing family. Don't you want us to grow? Don't you want to join this growing family? Yes, I know you want to. So go ahead and subscribe. And my last video is right there is the best excuses to skip the school. Up until we meet next, adios, amigos.